Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in IKEA seeing what's new. This is the first video, so everything's gonna be new. But if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So first thing, right when you walk in, they have an 8-pack of hangers. There's wooden, white, and black, and they're $4.99. They also have a wooden Lazy Susan. These are $24.99. So they have this option. Then on top, there's this black trim. These metal bowls are on sale. These are regularly $9.99. They're down to $6.99. And then the smaller size is down to $4.99. This really big size is $17.99. For $10, regularly $12.99. They also have a gold set. This one's 20 pieces, $29.99. They also have these little cushions for $2.99. It's white and black print. Another sale item. They have a champagne cooler for $19.99. This is regularly $44.99. Lint rollers, 59 cents. It's a really good price. That's regular. Lots of good deals on pillow covers. So they have this really pretty green and pink down to $7.99, regularly at $9.99. This one's for a 20 by 20. The little leaf print has an embroidering for $12.99. So if you just want to like freshen up, switch out the covers on your pillows or just throw these on. These are only $3.99 for a 20 by 20. There's a 20 by 20 with the horse. Kind of reminds me of Hermes for $7.99. Really plush cushion cover for $9.99. These were regularly $19.99, so 50% off. It's a good price. This one's down to $1.99. I don't think we have any more of those left for $2. So $2, you really can't beat it. I think that matches. They also have the brown on sale for $12.99, regular $22.99. Another one for $1.99. And then they have these really nice, they feel like they're duck feather filling for $13, 100% cotton. These fun little blue triangle pillows are $9.99, regularly $19.99. They also have these cushion pad. I think these are like the inserts. And they're $4.99. And then they also have the grays, also $4.99. The stripe is $7.99. They have a red for $4.99. And then also this rust color is really cute for decorating for fall. And the green, those are also $4.99. Full and queen size duvets are on sale for $39.99, regularly $47. I think I saw the size. They have a duvet insert. It's not thick, but it's only $7.99 for the twin. Temperature rated duvet inserts, $29.99. And then they also have one for $39.99. This one's viscose. And it's the full queen. And then the duvet covers, they have lots of different prints. This is the twins, $29.99. And then up to the size king is $59.99. There's a blue gingham, this floral, a beige and white stripe, the yellow lemons. There's a gold, the orange floral. How pretty is that little like check for fall? A paisley print, pink and orange, salad orange, a floral, a rose, burgundy. That pink is cute for like your girl's room. They have a little bird. There's a yellow watercolor, a floral watercolor, a beige, full, what color is that? A gray beige scroll, polka dot, and then a solid light beige, and then there's also a blue stripe. That's what they look like when you have the blanket, and then they have these little buttons. And they also come with the pillowcases. When I was here the other day, when I was actually shopping, not filming, that's where I got the idea. Somebody was like loving this green one, and that's what it looks like. It has really pretty pipe detailing on the side, and they're $49.99 for the full queen. King is $69.99. But I have these little like floor rugs for $2.99. It's like 2 by 2. And then I was like Really excited about these. They're regularly $20, on sale for $10. In the gray. I'm pretty sure I saw some other colors on sale. Yeah, they have this white and brown for $15.99. This gold is $11.99. So it looks like all of these are $7.99, regularly $14.99. This is like the vibe that I'm trying to go for the new house that we moved into. We're only there since August 1st, so I'm trying, but it's coming together, I guess. They have little candles as vanilla for $4.99. They also have really good prices on doormats. This is only $9.99. This one's $19.99, $14.99. How cute, little dustpan for $2.99. This bathroom accessory set is $2.99. These really plush mats. These are like so plush. They're bath mats for $24.99. They have white, blue, and gray. How cute. This one's $14.99. These little soap dispensers are $9.99. Rich really loves this bath mat. It has 5 stars, $7.99. It's 20 by 30. He likes it because we could throw it in the washing machine because our little chihuahua likes to pee on things like this. But they have gray, brown, pink.
Apricot?
Yeah, pink, taupe. Look at all the cute accessories. They have a robe, $27.99. That one's $29.99. All these little shower slippers for $3.99. And then the little hair wraps are $2.99. This little what is it, like a wash rag, like a loofah, but like if you like a loofah and a washcloth, it's kind of combined. That's $2.99. Like a back scrubber is $4.99. Make sure you follow the arrows and not make your own way because you could get lost. If you're not like, if you don't need anything fancy, they have solid white fitted sheets for $12.99 in the white. And then, oh, what is that? Oh, comforter set in the for $24.99. It's this one. This comforter set's on sale for $59.99. Look how cute the little pandas. I should get one for my niece. My sister had her baby. So these are $3.99. Alright, so this is what I came back for because I bought a really big one from the World Market, but it doesn't fit. But what I like about this one is it's pretty much universal where it's going to just clip on anything. And these are $31.99. This one's a lot bigger. It's $42.99. So you can add these pendant shades to any kind of pendant light, especially if they just have the little hook. So they also have this black one. The biggest one is $41.99. They also come in white. They have the mesh for $24.99. That black one's really cute too. That's $27.99. This blue one is $19.99 on sale, regularly $31.99. This one has, oh, that one has the hole in it, so you have to make sure it fits with your lamp. And then this black one also has the hole. These are $19.99. That's what it looks like. I was thinking of doing just like a basic shade like this. It's $24.99. Halloween lights. This little lantern is $9.99, and then they have orange lights for $19.99. This little one is $17.99. These little pumpkins are $14.99. They have little vanity strips, like the light bulbs, for $29.99. You can hang it either way. Halloween little ghost pillows are $9.99. They have a little ghost blanket. It's over there for $19.99. How cute. The pumpkins are $13.99. These are light up. The mummy lanterns are $1.99. The candles are $2.99. $2.99 for wall cloth. I like this mirror. It's regularly $44.99. It's on sale for $9.99. How cute is this? The little like antler head is $4.99. They have these shells regularly $14.99. They're on sale for $9.99. In the brown, they also have white. These distress look, 20 for the big one and 10 for the smaller one. They have a 4-pack of the towels. You could do a whole wall look for $12.99. Little like wall tapestry is $59.99. The bamboo wall decor is $22.99. How cute are these? $17.99, the glass dome with the gold base. And then they have little bags of pumpkins for $8.99, multicolor. And then the gray pumpkins are already on sale. You get 3 for $3.99. These smell good. There's like a berry. We saw the vanilla. They also have, what's this? I don't know, like some kind of basil. Like a wintergreen scent. Here's another.
It smells good over here.
Winterfent. No. Also seeing Halloween candles. These are $2.99. They have the bats and then also ghosts. The little jarred pumpkin candle is $3.99. This little candle holder is $6.99. They have the little spider, little like tea light holder for $3.99. And then we saw the pumpkins were $13.99. They also have these little plant stands for $64.99, and the little plant box are $24.99. We got little deal section. So for $5, there's, I don't know, it looks like candles. What's this? I don't even know. It's a steel flask. $1.99 a bamboo holder. Over here there's the $3 section. They have little chargers, these plastic plates with the snakes, a little box of tissues for $1.99, and a bottle with the stopper is $1.99. Light green cushions are on sale for $4.99. And then they also have the brown oat biscuits, $7.19. Oatmeal cookies are $7.99. Gummy with cola flavor. Those are $2.19. Some of the rooms, I'll show you guys some of the rooms if you're looking for like home inspo, in case that's what brought you here. It's like a living room, dining room, really pretty living room, kitchen, and little dining area. I was thinking about that shade, but I don't know. I think that comes with the lamp too for Edie. And then how cute, they have the bookcases with the like fabric lining on there. I was literally here like 2 or 3 days ago, and this was all finished rooms. So they are really, I guess, just throwing this up really quick, because I know this was not like this. So I'll take you guys back to show you the rooms. If you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.